Hey guys, Jules Kain here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go over the song Don't Cry by Kirk. This song was written in the key of D flat, B flat minor. There's one chord progression that repeats through this entire song. It's played by Smallwood, and he's added a lot of nice classical motifs and ornaments. So I'm going to try to complement the original recording. So, for the progression, you're going to start off on an E flat minor 7, an A flat 9, D flat major 7, F sharp major 7, C half diminished, F7 flat 9, B flat 9 sus4, and it resolves to a B flat major. So that's the essential progression, but I might add a passing chord or two. So let's try to play it through. Don't cry, dry your eyes. He's not dead. Okay, let's try to add something new. A little passing movement there. B flat. You can do an A flat over C, or A flat 2 over C, and then B flat over D. So don't cry. Nice C altered chord there. Dry your eyes. Okay, caught all that? Okay. 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 Okay, let's try something new. You can just play with the progression. It's like see, I'm just going down the scale. Such a beautiful song. Okay, so that's generally the whole song. Dry your eyes. He's not Okay, that was a nice brief run through of Don't Cry. Hey, thank you guys so much. Check out my website, JulesKain.com. You'll find some sheet music, MIDI files, and availability to make a personal request of a song. It's all there on my site, so you can check it out there. All right, until next time, guys, take care.